Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you are guided to grow your capacity to receive love. We acknowledge how far we've come on our spiritual journeys, on our healing journeys. We acknowledge all the beautiful work we have done, the attention we give to ourselves to create the space of healing and connection to love energy, to God energy. And we walk this path of love, acknowledging that wherever we go, we leave a little bit of magic sparkle dust behind, and we trust. We sink into this place of deep trust, deep awareness, deep beauty, gratitude for this life, and oh goodness, so beautiful. I hope you enjoy today's meditation, and I look forward to sharing this meditation with you. Much love. Hello, beautiful beings. Let's drop into today's meditation. Light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music, and when you feel ready, you can turn your outer gaze inward. Become aware of your breath as it moves through you. We set the intention today of deep inner self connection, healing, access to our own inner wisdom, connection to infinite intelligence, growing as spiritual beings and bringing our gifts to the earth. Take a deep breath into your beautiful intention. We acknowledge that in these moments of conscious connection, in these moments of turning inward and relaxation, rest, recharge, in these beautiful, intimate moments with ourselves, we become open to magic. We become open to receiving. We become receptive. We allow the divine to guide us. We are guided by the strength of our knowing, by the magnetism of our own heart. We say thank you for this opportunity to be here with ourselves, with the earth, with Source, Creator, God, energy. We take a deep breath into the heart space. We take a deep breath into the heart of our earth. We take a deep breath into the love of Source energy. We take a deep breath into the love that holds us, surrounds us, continues to give to us. In your mind's eye, you can feel the warmth of this love permeating through your pores, your skin, your cells, through your muscles and fibers and tissues and tendons and ligaments into your bones. Breathe this love so deeply inward. We remember that we are beings of love, meant to be the love, spread the love, share the love, know the love. In our mind's eye, we visualize ourselves as the center of our own beautiful little universe. The people we see, the places we go, the experiences we have. Because we acknowledge and accept and receive and do all this beautiful spiritual work on ourselves to be open and receptive, we have so much to give. And as we move through our days, our universe, our own personal universe, we can visualize us leaving this beautiful trail of love wherever we go. And as you exhale, you can visualize yourself sharing, spreading, being this love. In your mind's eye, you can visualize yourself walking your path, seeing this beautiful path ahead, your feet firmly planted. You can see yourself stepping forward and this little trail of love bubbles that is just left behind with each step that you take. And these love bubbles just surround others, support others, provide to others, shine the light for others. We can visualize these little heart bubbles just glowing and floating, just so light and joyful. Spreading joy is what you do. And we continue to walk forward in this space of love. We see ourselves in this heart bubble. It comes with us wherever we go. Because we nurture this. We pay attention to this. We acknowledge our ability, our capacity to hold so much love for ourselves, our world, humanity. We take the time to heal, to consciously release, to move, to expand, to grow, to learn as conscious beings of love and light. When we walk this journey with love, we see the love behind and ahead. We can look forward upon the horizon and see even more love coming our way. How is this possible? We see this vision of so much beauty ahead, so much joy, so much warmth, so much expansion. And we keep walking our path. We keep releasing and recharging and filling ourselves, sharing what we know, sharing our wisdom, sharing our truth, sharing authenticity, staying vulnerable and open and receptive, because we know that it is so worth it. Hmm. Just offer yourself a word of gratitude for how far you have come, all that you have done for yourself to heal and grow, all that you have done for others to provide loving support and care, tenderness, and all that will be as we continue to walk forward. We stay open to all the beautiful infinite possibilities. We stay open to the magic. We stay open in wonder. We stay in gratitude. Take a few moments to sit in this beautiful space that you have created for yourself, that we have co-created. Stay in this space of deep peace for as long as you can. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to allow yourself to free write, stream of consciousness writing. Write about your meditation, write about your inner experience, write about your feelings, your thoughts, your dreams, your desires. And just trust that everything you write on paper is meant to be moved through you. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, sharing this video, and for all your love and support. Feel free to leave a comment. I'd love to connect with you. Much love.